Hi guys, and welcome to this new video. And this video you will learn how you can borrow funds in Phemex. So to do that, you just click on the wallet tab. As you can see here in my spot wallet, I have 8.56 euro, but I want to borrow money on Phemex. So if you want to borrow money, you need to have some deposit in your account before you borrow money. So to borrow, all we have to do is to go to the margin. Here's the margin. After the margin, we will click on transfer, because if we try to borrow anything now, it won't accept to borrow. So we transfer our funds to the margin account. So I have funds in Bitcoin. I confirm. Already transferred. So here I have my money in the margin account, so I can just borrow. You see, I click on borrow. After clicking on borrow, I will you can see they tell me maximum loan account amount 36.1. so I can borrow 36 USDT. So I just click on confirm. I want to borrow the max. You can change your info here to 31 or whatever. So I just click on confirm. So you can see here my balance is no more 8 euro. It's now 42.48 euro. So that's how you borrow in Phemex, and your borrowed money will be found in the margin account. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye.